Hello, Pilipinas! So, welcome to my very first vlog sa aking very first YouTube channel. So, since it is my very first vlog, ang content natin today is Get to Know Me vlog. Kaya naman, ay temo! So, ayan, meron tayong list here of what we are going to talk about. And syempre, unang-una sa lahat is my full name. So, a lot of people, kapag nag-search sila ng mga channel nila or accounts nila, hindi nila totoong pangalan yung ginagamit nila. Ganun. But, I'm here to say na yung gamit ko pong pangalan dito sa YouTube channel ko, siya yung totoo ko pong pangalan. But my whole name is Chriselle Antoinette Gabugen Valdines. But you can call me An. That's my nickname. So next is my nationality. So of course, I am a Filipino. I'm a Filipina. Yan. So, alam po naman po natin na, makasanghangin, alam naman po natin na dito sa Pilipinas, maraming mga tribo. Yung papa ko po is Igorot, yung mama ko naman is Bugkalot. So, I am a Igorot and Bugkalot. Next is my hobbies. Actually, I can do a lot. Ang dami ko gustong gawin eh. But I'm not saying na I'm an expert, na talagang sobrang galing ko na talaga dun sa mga bagay na yon. But I love doing them. So, singing, painting, crafting, I play badminton, play instruments, the basics only. Ayan. Next is, what do you do right now? So, I breathe oxygen? Just kidding. Actually, I am an incoming college student. And so, yeah, I'm preparing for my college life and I'm actually turning 18 soon. So, I am also preparing for the next chapter of my life. And next is, why did you start YouTube? So yeah, ever since bata pa ako, gusto ko na talaga mag-start mag-vlog, mag-video-video, ganyan. Gusto ko na talagang i-capture yung mga memories, ganyan. Kasi meron nung time na nag-scroll ako sa Facebook, and napanood ko yung magkakaibigan sila. Pinapanood nila yung mga videos nila nung mga younger sila. Tapos tumatawa silang saya-saya nila, ganun. Tapos na-inspire ako dun kasi nakakatuwa pala na pagtanda ko, may mapapanood akong video ng sarili ko nung bata pa ako. Makikita ko yung sarili ko, ganyan ako nung bata ko. So, ganyan. Doon ako na-inspire. Inspire? Inspire mag-video. And dahil doon, parang naisip ko na, what if start ko lang? Kahit walang manood, okay lang. It's my goal naman na pagtanda ko yung mapapanood ako, and it's fine kung walang manood. Pero panoorin niyo naman. So, that's it guys. Thank you for your time on watching my vlog. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. And comment down below if you have any suggestions, any tips for vlogging, or you have more questions, or you want something for my next vlog. And like and subscribe po. Thank you! And mampo!